Here are my thoughts on upcoming trends on SEO in 2018. So there are key three takeaways from my thoughts. The first one is the machine learning and the rank brain algorithm, which Google keeps on updating on daily basis. The second one is the voice search and voice commands into SEO coming into the picture in 2018. And the third one is the video content. So coming back to the first point, the machine learning is helping Google to identify the UI UX of the page, the content of the web page, which helps the end user to identify whether the content is relevant or it's adding value to that particular web page. So if I search for a startup cafe in Pune, so I'll end up with 10 results in the Google search, and I click on the first URL, and after landing on the page, if it doesn't add value to me, or if the UI UX or the content is not relevant to my search, I would jump out of it in 8 to 10 seconds. But if the fourth URL is, if I click on the fourth URL and if I get what I wanted, if I encounter the data which I really wanted, so I'll stick around it, I'll look into it, I'll watch the image, watch the video over it, or the directions given for the startup cafe, or the details. So this is what Google is considering: the UI UX, the time that a user spends on the web page, the time, the engagement of that web page. So the URL is ranking on the fourth position. If that happens quite a lot of time, that people are ending up on that fourth position URL, so it would get more boost. So this is all what matters in via machine learning and Google's upcoming algorithms in 2018. My second point was voice command. So with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, and there are quite a lot of devices, voice assistants available in the market. So with those voice assistants, what happens is the user is asking for a query which is informal to their thought process. Now what is happening till 2017 was that we write content which is in a professional manner, but when user is searching for a content via voice query, so it would be quite informal. So while writing content, while curating content, it would be quite important to take into consideration their voice commands, which are informal, which are contextual. So yeah, the human involvement would be much higher while writing the content. The third point which I wanted to convey is that we all know that a picture is worth 1,000 words, but a video is worth millions of words. So whenever there is an article, people are being lazy nowadays to read the whole article. But if we provide a video around that content, which is 2 to 3 minutes, a brief, crisp video, then it would help them. So adding that video would help a lot, and people love to consume video contents since mid 2016. Okay, yeah, thank you very much.